Yeah, I believe you. But I can't imagine hurting Tilly, at least. Probably not. You don't keep the door locked and keep the police on. Will do.
Excuse me, you're wet.
I'll try. Thanks for the no worries.
You're wet.
Watch a funny movie, huh? Yeah, I'll watch something of Daniel Stewart's funny trash.
Go have a bath. Go on. Go on. Yeah. Ow, that's my toes. Hi. Is it too hot? Where'd you go? Oh, you're a dick. Hey Jack, what are you doing? Okay, hang on. Oh, there you go, you got it. Good boy! Yay!